And what's up, everybody? On day 3rd, I came today's date, December 1st, 2021. The time is 1300. Yep, see, there's a chemtrail right there. So you got two pyramidal looking clouds, one behind the other. So there's the first one I just recognized, and there's the second one. You got chemtrails from sliding in Space Force. Okay, so is that like two mothership types? And this might be a smaller one behind it. Okay, you just went across the bow of the first one. I think these are pyramidal ships. If they ain't, they just rocks. But he went across the first one, Space Force, and it's still holding its shape. Look at it there. There's a back wing, and the back of it. I'm sorry, I'm missing it. And then here's the second one. That's right behind that one. There's the back wing right here, if that's a back wing, or the back wing, and there's the front. And he's coming in behind that one. So it's two of them. But they might just be asteroids, I don't know. It's hard to tell. But Space Force is headed north. What do y'all think? Just asteroidal rocks, or actually two ships? Ship 1, Ship 2. You can see the pyramidal look on them. And possibly Ship 3 in the back. Like the gunner. And they distorting. And I don't even do like stuff like this, but I'm saying it's either, and I'm providing options, it's either a bunch of rocks flying that formed up into a pyramidal shape, but this one's still holding its shape. See the tip of it? See the back wing on the left side, back wing on the right side. And then this one's coming up behind it. That's the front. Back wing dipped down into atmosphere. Other wing dipped up. That's what it looks like. Then their little gunner ship. Look at the square. Mechanical. 2 engines on top and a front round disc in the front. Kind of like the Enterprise, maybe. And you got this little spherical ball up under. See, and then this one's got engine turrets back here. Wings, engine, wing, front, right? And then this one's coming across here. Still holding its pyramidal shape. Front, wing dorsal, delta wing dorsal. Drift coming off the engines in the back, see it? So I might be wrong, but that looks like a damn good disguise. Look, and there's another Space Force flying up under it. So I don't know. It's either rocks or in a really good formation, or some ships. There's another Space Force. That's 4 Space Forces already. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3. My bad. I'm gonna get back to it, but I just want to show you the whole sky. That's north, west, south, east. That's where my asteroid shot through. Then back to my ship-looking anomalies. So like I said, again, these are either rocks in a nice formation together, or ships hiding in between some rocks, possibly. Because they still got that delta sweep, but I know that everything's coursing across with an atmosphere. But that's the lead ship, that's the back ship, and I'll call that the gunner ship, if that is. Other than that, they just are possibly space rocks or ships in between space rocks. Look close. There, wing, there, head tip, there, front ship still holding shape. And there's a delta. Alright. So we got that. I'm gonna just kind of watch it. We'll be back and I'll hit more up on it. But I can't poof.